Welcome to Alex's Skill Channel. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey, witnessing giant wood transport trucks tackling some of the toughest terrains. Get ready for a ride full of awe-inspiring moments and heart-pounding. Look at that. This gigantic logging truck is navigating a sharp curve on a steep slope. This treacherous mountain road demands not only incredible driving skills but also immense courage. With logs this long and heavy, even a small mistake could lead to a catastrophic accident. Oh my God! Look at that! The massive logging truck is speeding through a flooded ford. Water splashes everywhere, and the driver must maintain a steady hand to cross safely. The tension is palpable every second. Wow, this is an unbelievable sight. As the logging truck tries to turn on the highway, the long logs suddenly spill out. It's a dangerous and challenging situation, but the driver handles it with calm and professionalism. We are witnessing a thrilling scene as the gigantic container truck carrying logs navigates from a side road onto the highway at a sharp curve. Each long, heavy log seems to challenge the driver's control. A minor error could result in disastrous consequences. In the deep forest, this logging truck is trying to climb a steep hill at a sharp curve. The treacherous, slippery, and steep road demands top-notch driving skills. It's an impressive display of skill. Oh my, look at that! The logging truck is descending a mountain through sharp curves and muddy roads. Each time the wheels sink into the mud, the lurking danger is palpable. But with skill and determination, the driver maneuvers the truck remarkably. This is a tense scene. The homemade logging truck is descending a newly dug, steep, and muddy road. With a cliff on one side and a deep ravine on the other, the long logs sway on the truck bed, creating a dangerous and thrilling sight. Look at that! A convoy of homemade tractor logging trucks navigating treacherous mountain roads. These trucks are not just carrying logs, but also the bravery of their drivers. This is truly an adventurous and challenging journey. Oh my, this logging truck is descending a mountain on a rocky road. The long, heavy logs on the truck add to the difficulty. We can see each wheel trying to grip the uneven surface, making every second a challenge. Welcome to another challenging sharp curve. This massive logging truck is navigating a curve on a rocky road. Every turn of the wheel brings tension and excitement. It's an incredible display of driving skills. Wow, look at that! The logging truck is struggling to climb a hill, losing traction with its wheels spinning and kicking up dust. This is an intense challenge for the driver, facing such difficult terrain. Oh my, look at that! The long logging truck is gaining momentum to climb the hill, and amazingly, the driver succeeds. This performance truly showcases the driver's excellent skills and patience. Can you see that? The logging truck is struggling with a slippery slope in the forest, requiring two bulldozers to pull and push. It's a spectacular scene showing the cooperation and skills of the drivers in this challenging situation. Oh wow, this is impressive! Two long logging trucks are in a convoy on a treacherous mountain road. Their coordination and excellent driving skills help them safely navigate this difficult path. Look at that! The logging truck carrying a massive log is being pushed by a bulldozer on a muddy road. Every step is a challenge, but they push through with determination and skill. We're witnessing a tense moment as the logging truck descends the steep, freshly dug road. Every move must be extremely cautious to avoid accidents. Wow, the container truck loaded with logs is merging onto the highway. The precise control and bravery of the driver are truly admirable. Look at that, the logging truck is trying to climb a mountain and facing a sharp curve. The driver's excellent control in this dangerous situation is truly astonishing. Once again, the logging truck is facing a sharp curve while climbing the mountain. Every second is thrilling, but the driver navigates it impressively.